we all kind of hunt different areas, and I've learned it now that I'm living down in Oklahoma. It was different in land in a swamp marsh area that I have in Wisconsin versus hunting down here in Oklahoma where guys are baiting. Setting up a rope around bait is a total different perspective or strategy I'd take doing that versus up in Wisconsin where you can't bait and you're trying to find the food source. But where when you make the food source, I can plan where I want to, how I want to access a spot. And if I put food down, they're going to come to it. Once I put it down, I give it a week or two, and the deer just create trails to that corn from where they're bedding. It almost feels like cheating, but if you're hunting an old deer, it's still not easy to shoot them over bait. And so we've had success now in that I would track back from that bait pile and go 50 to 75 yards away and see if I can find a spot in that location that would be a killing tree where I can set up a setup. And because of cell cams, I mean, it's it's so much easier to see to get deer on a pattern and know when they're coming to a specific corn pile. But again, I'm using a hub that's away from that because I haven't had success if I set it up around there. And a lot of times the deer are going to come right before or right after dark. If I can cut that time from when they're bedding to getting to their food source, it, it's a way to do it and have them using the sand hub naturally, not in an area like a corn pile or whatever type of food you're putting down. Because I think a lot of times when they come in those areas, they're a little bit spooked. They don't feel real comfortable. They're always a little bit on edge, and I don't think they're as likely in that scenario to use it. I think it's very similar in those like open fields. A lot of times they come out, they can be on edge, especially in high pressured areas. And I don't think they feel real comfortable. You'll get a lot of nighttime where they'll do it because they do think they feel more comfortable at nighttime. But if a deer's not comfortable in a spot, I definitely don't think they'll use a community scent hump like they normally would.
I always say if you took the bait away, would the deer come there? Probably not. Like they're not coming to that spot without the bait. They're there for the bait. So when a deer comes there, he knows what he's there for.
Yeah, I've had some guys down here say, "Well, I'm hoping that when my bait goes away, they'll still come back and use it and use the rope or licking stick because it's set up there." Well, it's not the reason they're there in the first
Right.
place.
If they weren't coming there before, they're not coming there after.